I'm gonna give you all one of my favorite tips for Mr. Gary's Ketchum Creek Outfitters. Barbecue sauce, mustard sauce, and this awesome dry rub. Now this stuff here, you can even put on toaster strudels and it's probably still good. But we got some turkey breast here that we cut up. First thing you need to do, well, I should have done did it. I'm procrastinating, look. We gotta preheat the oven to 400. Stick it on there 400, it's simple. Easy as pie. We'll do the barbecue sauce on one of them, and then we'll do the mustard on the next. Hit it with a little bit of sauce there, and a little bit of dry rub. Same thing with the mustard sauce. We'll do the same deal. Now this barbecue sauce is a vinegar base, and this stuff is killer. We'll dump a little bit of here on here. And take you a knife, poke you some holes up in there, this little turkey. Let her get down in there. And again, hit this one with the famous dry rub as well. This one here, we're just gonna do straight dry rub, no sauces. Over. Hit it both sides. Now, it's pretty simple. Cover it up. We got it on 400. Stick it in there for about 20 to 22 minutes. And then let your tongue slap your brains plumb out of your head. Now that's just a secret little tip. Ketchum Creek Outfitters, mustard twang sauce, and the cowboy sauce, and this fantastic dry rub. Now, if you want to cook your lady something good for dinner, go ahead and slap that on it and watch what happens.
This is really good. This is by far the best sandwich I've ever had.
This is real life, real good food. Ketchum Creek Outfitters dry rub and sauce. Get it today.